Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the LeetCode question number 58, length of last word. In this question, we given the string and we have to find the length of last word. And in the second example, if the last character is empty, then we have to find the last word's length. So let's solve this. So first we create a variable which is length and assign as 0. Then we use a for loop which iterates from I is equal to s dot length to actually we use the length minus 1 because if we use the length then it goes outside of the string. So we use length minus 1 and I should greater than or equal to 0. I instance. Then we use a if condition if s of I is not equals to empty, then we increase the length. In the else if condition, if length is greater than 0, then we break it. After that, we return length. So in this code, if s of I is not equal to empty, so it checks from the last, and if it not empty, then it increase the length, and if the length greater than 0, then it will break. So we run this code. So that's it. Thank you.